Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to stop pop-ups and ads on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer in a very simple way. If your computer keeps showing random messages, app ads, or notifications that you don't like, don't worry. Just follow me step by step, and by the end of this video, your computer will feel cleaner and less annoying. So like always, let's start from the beginning. First, go to the search bar at the bottom left of your screen and click on it. Now type Microsoft Store. Once you've typed it, the Microsoft Store app will appear at the top. Go ahead and open it. Inside the Microsoft Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that, type PC Manager. After typing, the first result will be Microsoft's official PC Manager app. Click on it, then click the Get button to install it. Once the installation is complete, open PC Manager. You'll see a welcome page. Just click the Get Started button at the bottom. Now, the PC Manager main page will open. You don't need to do much. Just adjust one setting. On the left side menu, find and click on the Protection option. Inside the Protection section, scroll down and look for Pop-up Management. Then click on it. In Pop-up Management, enabling Popup Block will help stop most unwanted pop-ups from websites, especially in browsers. However, it might not block all pop-ups on Windows, like those from apps or the system itself. When you turn it on, you'll see a few more options. Custom Block. Select on screen. This lets you manually select pop-ups from your screen that you want to block. This gives you more control to stop specific annoying ads or messages in real time. Process Advertising Pop-up. This toggle allows you to block or unblock specific ad-related pop-ups. Turning it on will stop that kind of pop-up from showing again. This is how you can block all kinds of pop-ups in Windows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.